Khatkhati Football Championship surhini ro engkor trok angdung kiti ke pathupon. Labangso Khatkhati Football Championship angdung kiti ke pathupon along aluhi sarpoa mana peng pen ka chetongdun Bokajan Municipal Board Chairman Sardili Be manpeng aluhi Khatkhati Sports Association Maipu Rajbu Teron SGB Babu Bongrum Khatkhati Bajar Committee Amaipu Longsar Bongrum Rongasar Silent Dera Tokbi pen ki chenglok penan ke thekiding atum chetong dun pen aliralon pidun lo Khatkhati Football Championship angdung kiti ke pathupon laki Central Khatkhati FC lapen Karagaon FC ateran atum angbong si ingtang kring pen chepati pon lo lapen ke Central Khatkhati FC aterang atum ke thekmu chot pen ajok 3-0 goal pen Karagaon FC aterang atuma phan paren pondet lo lapen ke hai anong e tangka suri ingkoi lapen trophy lapen kere matuma phan sidame tangka suri kep lapen trophy pipa jerpon aduntu best player anong e Long Simon Singh best goalkeeper Long Dili Terang best defense Sorab Hussain player of the tournament Somon Teron best discipline Lahorijan FC atumaphan nong e ipon lo Sangti hidipen presenterang karbing long lai